This is for those people who are always told to grow a thicker skin. Now, in society, we are told that being sensitive is a weakness, it's something to be fixed, but it is not. In fact, being sensitive is one of the biggest abilities that we have in this current modern society. So take a look at some of the greats throughout history. Many of them were highly sensitive. There were people like Nikola Tesla and Carl Jung that were supposedly very highly sensitive, and they were able to tap in to the consciousness, to their own mind, to the collective unconscious, to read really a much larger section of life. And when it comes to your own abilities, you may have many because of this sensitivity. You may be able to read a room. You may be very highly diplomatic and have skills and talents because of this sensitivity. It is never something to fix, it is something to use. Now, in terms of evolution, there are many evolutionary theories around this. One of them is that 20 to 30% of us were or are sensitive because it allows our species to continue. For example, if we were running outside and we fell into a trap, well, if you are sensitive, you are much less likely to run and fall into that trap. That's the theory behind sensitivity. But the point is that it's not something to fix. It's a natural ability to use.